What's up? It's Ipe and I started a clothing company. Ever since I started skateboarding since I was a little kid, I've always wanted to start a brand. I've always just been interested in designs, branding, logos, etc. The problem I struggled for the past few years or so was coming up with the perfect name, logo, and concept that was preventing me from creating. One day in class I read a poem called Border or Borderline, and the second I read that, that's when I knew that that was going to be the name of my brand. To me, borderline is seeking or gaining something new from an experience or surpassing your limits, because being surrounded by a border, it's like you're being stuck, and once you cross that border, it's like seeking a whole new world or finally being free from something or passing your limits on something you just wanted to accomplish for like the longest time ever. With that concept, traveling is tied into borderline, so that's why I wanted to make designs based on a country that I travel to every time I do so. And since I'm in Japan, that's why I did a Japan flag graphic for this. And obviously traveling frequently just to drop new designs will be hard, at least in the beginning, so I do have other plans, but I'm really stoked that I just get to start off in Japan right the way I want to with the concept that I have. But each collection will be released in a specific way and will never be made again. I just want people to feel special, that they have something that not everyone has, or that they're a part of a specific time in the near future. And starting this all by myself would be tough, so I honestly can't thank the guys enough over at Common Thread for helping me get the brand started. I also want to thank Endless Theory for creating this design for me, because it was hard managing all this while doing YouTube, going to school, and work full time. And I'm just stoked to be able to collab and just go all in just in the first drop. It's still crazy for me thinking that I'm actually doing this. And this isn't a skateboarding brand, this is a streetwear brand that will back skateboarding. And you guys probably know my friend Mowgli by now from my previous videos or so, and starting and promoting a brand by yourself can be really difficult. And I honestly think Mowgli is probably one of the most underrated skaters on YouTube as well, and he's genuinely a good person overall. So I asked him if he wanted to be part of the brand since we came to Japan together. As you guys know, I'm starting a company out here. That's why we're out in Japan, and I got this man. And we came out here together. It's kind of helping me promote the brand.
Ipe for life, guys. Like the conversations we've had, just the hard amount of work he got this product to be done before we even left. It's amazing.
Hope you're stoked on this, man. Here's a hat for you, man.
Hell yeah. That's what's up. About to be rocking this all this trip.
I don't have stickers right now, but hats, I'm not going to be selling them. It's just like a limited thing. I just got him one just because he wanted it really bad. First person who buys any of these shirts will get a free hat, this one.
And make sure to check out the product, dude. Like, I've been pumped up on this, and I'm not just saying this because he's my friend. This is something I actually believe in as well. Like, I've been skating for so long to the point where like I could see past BS. I knew that everything he was saying from before to now, that it really meant a lot. I'm pumped. Let's get there.
Clothing will be released on this day, and the link to the store will be in the description below, and then the clothes will be up on the site at whatever time I have posted right here. And again, thanks for all your guys' support. And again, this isn't a skateboarding brand. This is a streetwear brand that backs skateboarding.